So excited! Today I'm going to be showing you how I made these recycled vintage circuit board coasters. The three main tools you need to do this project are Mod Podge, a sponge painting brush, and crystal clear glaze spray paint. So I had actually ordered the recycled fiberglass circuit boards from an Etsy shop. I'll link it in the description. They sell these with the intent of people buying them to DIY, so they're cut to the standard coaster size. So first I'm going ahead and tracing the circuit boards with the coaster, since the coasters have round edges and not pointed. After they're all traced, I started cutting along the lines that I had made. Once I had them all cut, I got my Mod Podge all ready to start painting. I would paint the back of the fiberglass, then align it with the coaster cork. Once it was lined, I would then paint the top coat on all the coasters. I made sure to paint the Mod Podge in consistent vertical lines to keep it tidy. After all the coasters dried, I would then go over them with another top coat. Once the second coat was dried, I then grabbed the glaze spray paint and went over the coasters twice. After letting them dry for several hours, they were all done. I just love how they turned out. This is such a quick craft that any tech-loving person can put together. There is nothing better than taking someone else's trash and turning it into a treasure like this. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like this and want to see more crafty and tech-based content, please subscribe.